Welcome to chartforecaster.com. I'm Kyle, and if you like this video, subscribe, hit the like button. We're going to be using chartforecaster.com to dissect with surgical precision the Tesla charts. This is going to be an interesting one. Now, there are some recent things that have been happening with Tesla. Really, Tesla's 2025 deliveries fell about 8.6%. To about 1.6 million units. Now, that's an interesting fact, but Tesla lost the global EV crown also to BYD. So there's some increased competition now, especially with the expiration of the U.S. federal EV credits, which really help drive demand. So this AI robotaxi thing they've got going on, I do think will really make an impact. However, I do think that there is some interesting plays to be made with that, because it's going to cost people jobs. These people are going to end up on government welfare, things like that, possibly, if these robo-taxis get too out of control. And there's also a lot of competition now with these robo-taxis. Now, I do think they are very cool, and I'm a big fan of Elon Musk and his visionary ability to create things of value. And when we look at the Tesla charts, you can see that there is a very, prevalent harmonic pattern. This could be something of the nature of a bullish shark or cipher pattern, possibly. But we are possibly gearing up to see Tesla really start to decline in value. And there is a very nice rising wedge to the upside, which is also suggesting a downfall. Now, one interesting thing about Tesla right now is that we're currently resting on this lower trend line of the squeeze point of this rising wedge. What does chartforecaster.com have to say about this in hindsight? Well, chartforecaster.com is a really nice software that really helps people time the market, things like that. It aggregates data, kind of like an Enigma machine, where it just deciphers the language of the markets and comes up with that data. So we've got Tesla selected from a long list of stocks. There's crypto here. If you want to trade crypto while the markets are closed, it can break down those charts as well. But we'll just pick this swing high here on October 2nd. So we'll go October 2nd. 2025. We'll calculate the events. You can filter out a bunch of different predictive events here, but it gives us a nice long list of events that have happened. When we look at the Tesla chart, if you would have gotten into this prior to December 2nd, you could see that it was warning us that this was a momentum peak area, which it was. Tesla started ripping. It warned us well in advance that there was a reversal coming. Down almost to the hour, it predicted the reversal. And right on the hour, it predicted bullish or bearish momentum would start. Now, chartforecaster.com also predicted an insane volatility spike, which was very interesting to say the least. And this would help you know when they're trying to shake the markets, right? Price ended up ripping off, and it did say that there was a momentum peak area right up here. And you can see that the stock kind of paused. This was a peak area. Going on further, it predicted the top exactly down to the hour that Tesla reversed when it nearly hit 500. Then it also stated that it gave a double confirmation on December 24th. And guys, you would know this days, weeks in advance that this is coming. Bullish or bearish momentum starts building. Guess what happened? It did that. Gave us another double confirmation saying, watch out for volatility spikes here. This is the Enigma machine crunching all this data in the background that it can predict this stuff. Boom, down to the hour. It looks like this was a weekend here. Opening candle, boom, volatility. That's pretty damn good. Now, this thing isn't 100% bulletproof, right? Because market makers they can manipulate the markets. We all know Wall Street guys. They manipulate this stuff so much. So this was kind of like a false flag here. It did say that momentum peak area was going to be in this area. I mean, I don't know that I could really say that was a valid pinpoint. Again, outside influences are a huge factor. But it did predict that this was going to be the market low or high and a common reversal point. So it wicked way up here. Price didn't get very much higher, and price reversed. Now we're seeing a flag for bullish or bearish momentum starting today. And it looks like we're seeing some green candles. And things to look out for Tesla, January 26th, or excuse me, I'm sorry, January 10th, 15:44 hours. It's very important that you understand that this is UTC time. So this is all UTC time, and it's predicting a volatility spike and a momentum peak area on January 14th at 19:05 hours UTC time. So will we see Tesla kind of run back up and peak around January 14th? You'll have to subscribe, and we'll revisit this over the next week to see what's going on with Tesla. So that's really my overall thoughts and market analysis on Tesla at this point in time. If you like this video, subscribe, and we'll also give away a free membership for a month to chartforecaster.com. Users just have to sign up, and the best comment will win this membership. That'll be determined probably towards the end of the month, but it's interesting software to say the least. So we'll see you guys on the next video.